I'm Oleg. I'm co-founder of originally Sweatcoin and now Sweat Economy. Movement economy is when you are able to collect the value of your movement and spend it with partners, companies that are happy to accept it as a payment for their goods, services, and experiences. Most interesting and most exciting thing for people was always to open the app up and look at your balance, because when you move your feet, you earn. Our portfolio screen now includes tokens, not just on Near, but on other chains. And I can receive, and what's even more important, send transactions on other chain without touching the keys, without even knowing my address on that chain. And this is all happening because of chain abstraction. We know how to bring in tens of millions, hundreds of millions of users. And because we're using Web3, we are a gateway, a on-ramp for people to come into Web3 in easy, kind of not terribly demanding way. When people realize that it all compounds and it all works, they really turn us into a daily habit, making the world physically active and turning your movement into value, into currency. It is pretty incredible.